up, guys? So for yesterday's video, I kind of screwed it up. Screwed up the memory card while I was trying to upload the video. But so I'll show you some progress from today. Got the grill in, got a bumper in, got that piece in. I'll turn this down before I get kicked off. You know, them YouTube and Facebook shuts you off for that stuff. But anyway, back to it. Alright, look at all these legs in. This whole frame is built. We're just missing like 2 little legs. But we can add those later. Another part that I'm really... So, from what was left of this hood, we took it. I'm gonna cut this piece out. Now I'm no body guy, but that's looking pretty good to me. This pop out like that. And then we're gonna do the same thing to this side. Be real nice, I think so. And it's reusing material, so that's pretty cool. Use the old hood to cap that off. So I already had it laid out. Alright. So I already cut this off, obviously, but was going to use a torch and then start taking my line away. So just use a cutoff wheel. Now I'm going to take a flap disc, as I like to call them, and clean all of that up. Beautiful out here. Still. I'm gonna say that every day because I just love it. Alright, well, I'm gonna set you guys up on time lapse and we're gonna get some stuff done today. So now we got both sides done. Now, I'm no body guy, but maybe it's pretty good. So this is sheet metal. I have a little buzz box, but that's not gonna do justice here. I need a TIG machine, so next week I'm gonna buy a TIG rig, or I might borrow my buddies, one of the two. And we're gonna get this all TIG'd out, looking tits, and then we'll clean it up. It'll look like it was meant to be there. So I'm pretty happy with this. I can't wait for the guy to come see it. So I don't do sheet metal either, so this is nice. Nice little change of pace, learning some stuff as I go. But I think I'm gonna take lunch now. I don't know, maybe I'll show you what's for lunch. It's just, actually, no, I'm not gonna show you what's for lunch because it's just basic chicken and rice again. But tomorrow is probably steak or something. I like to have a good lunch every day. But, all right, well, I'm gonna go to making lunch and then I'll get back with you guys when I get some progress done. piece because need some mounts here for the glass to come across. So I was thinking this. Look at this, pretty sweet. Hand cut all that. Probably clean that side up a little bit more. But I'm probably gonna have a few of these CNC cut just because this is a pretty custom piece. Pretty nice. So you want everything to be spot on. That's the cool thing about all this custom stuff, and guys is willing to go all out, and you should on a piece like this. So I was thinking like something like this. One there. One there. Ooh, that's still a little bit warm. And then we'll have like something back there, something back over there, and then something in the center. Because you never know. People might get a little crazy on top of it. You gotta make sure it's gonna hold some weight. At least a kid, you know, a kid might crawl up on it, so it's gotta support kids' weight. But this thing, it's not super heavy, but by the time we're finished with it, it might be. Well, still never actually took lunch because I got busy with this thing, and I was just in the zone. It's fun making all these cool little things, and you know, just putting that extra touch on stuff. So I'm gonna go eat. This is gonna be it for today's video. But if you like it, comment, like, subscribe, and share it. You know, let people see it. All right, everyone have a good day.